Today, brands need more content than ever. But keeping visual consistency across every channel isn't always easy. With FreePic AI Suite, you can create images and videos fully aligned with your brand identity. Start by training your style with custom LoRa's, quickly and effortlessly. Upload samples of your visual identity, graphic style, characters, or products. These elements become reusable modules to generate any visual. Select your style, set your brand color palette, and write a prompt that fits your brand. In seconds, you get clean, polished images with a professional finish. Need to make adjustments? Use the editor to remove elements, change backgrounds, or crop your visuals for any format. Then upscale your image for high-resolution output, ideal for print or digital use. You can also apply your brand to products or scenes with Nano Banana. Upload your brand visuals and logo, and ask it to integrate them wherever you want, on packaging, mock-ups, or real environments. Your branding placed instantly. Transform your images into motion with FreePic AI Video Generator. Animate characters, add camera movement, and simulate lighting automatically. Then open the video editor to bring in audio and effects. Add soundtracks and ambient sound with one click. For voiceovers, pick from a rich catalog of AI voices in multiple languages. There are natural accents, clear pronunciation, and options for different energy levels.
Fresh brew, 100% flavor.
Then add your message with animated text, stickers, and graphic overlays. Customize fonts, colors, and animation styles to stay on brand. Everything's built to match your visuals, frame by frame. Once everything's ready, export your brand visuals in high quality, ready to post, print, or share across all your channels. It all started with one image. Now your brand identity lives in every piece.